What's up, guys? We got a 2018 Jeep Rubicon here with custom lighting, wheel spaces, running boards, the custom brackets, rough country front bumper and winch. It's a JL. Also did the MagnaFlow dual exhaust, cat back. Mounted some cubes, light bar in the rear. Custom switch panel. Factory Mopar. Switch panel. Didn't come as an option, had to install that. Through the Uconnect, had to get it programmed. Top bar, hood light, bumper light, rear lights. I'm gonna put them all on so you guys can take a look. Really bright. Also did a K&N intake. Fog lights work with the factory switch. You can hear the intake and exhaust. Really nice setup in here. If you guys need any work done, this was all done by OD Performance. Island Park, Long Island, New York. I'm gonna do some more stuff to this Rubicon, but you know, this is a good start. Exhaust sounds great. Intake sounds great. And that's it.